If you are new to cricket or if you have just started watching cricket, the first name that might pop up in your head would be none other than Indian skipper Virat Kohli. In one way or the other, he is always in the headline. Plus, he has this huge fan base both from cricketing as well as non-cricketing fraternity. Not only loyal cricket fan base, he has other fan base gained from various social media and various endorsement that he does. With such following, he is the undisputed famous cricketer of this generation, to say the least. If you are new to cricket, like I mentioned earlier, at first glance, watching Kohli's number, you will be amazed by such figures. 70 international tons is not a joke, and Kohli achieved this within 11 years, which is just staggering. Having said so, why talk about possible concerns for India and Virat Kohli? Why waste the time then? Well, there's a reason to talk about it, so here it goes. Now, if you are a follower of cricket for a long time, which includes myself, there's one noticeable yet unusual thing that has happened with Kohli's career. A barren land of century. Yeah, a barren land of century. You heard me right. It's been 635 days since Kohli scored his last international tons, which was way back in November 22, 2019. And it's been more than 2 years since his last ODI century. This is quite a gap for someone like Kohli, who is always expected to score a century at least per a series. But it is what it is. Having said so, the question could be, has that affected him? The simple answer to this question is a slam dunk no. Mentality monster like Virat Kohli simply won't give a damn to these things. They just focus on one game and one ball at a time. In fact, Kohli's number hasn't changed that much due to lack of centuries. He is still the only batsman with an average of over 50 in all formats. And the important question could be, has that affected India? Or will this lack of century affect India in the future, especially in the more important ICC events? Well, these are questions that does not have binary answers, but we can always speculate and predict what might have happened or what will happen as a supporter of cricket. So, narrowing down our analysis, let's get to the most important part of this video. Has this lack of century affected India? Well, in one hand, maybe not at all. That's because India are ever improving and slowly turning into the superpower of cricketing world. Like many experts claim, a captain is as good as his team. So there we go. In fact, Kohli's number hasn't changed significantly due to lack of century, and to be perfectly honest, India is not a one-man team anymore. They have other match winners like Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah, KL Rahul and so on. But on the other hand, this lack of centuries might have affected India or will affect in the future, especially in the major ICC tournaments. In a bilateral series or a tri-series, this problem may not be apparent, but this will be a problem in the ICC tournament. 2015 World Cup semi-final, 2017 Champions Trophy final, and even in the recently concluded 2019 World Cup and a Test Championship final, Kohli couldn't play significant role, let alone score a century. And for that, Kohli was heavily criticized. With the standard that he has set himself for, he is always expected to score a century, and his expectation on his shoulder is as big as like Tendulkar used to have from billions of Indians. That's why it can sometimes be double-edged sword being a mainstream player. Love can easily turn into hate and vice versa. You either take all the credits or get hammered. That's the name of the game. Again, coming back to my point, will this affect him? Well, a simple answer is a no. But will this affect India? Well, it may. If India win major trophy without Kohli's significant performance, no any discussion will come into effect. But if India don't win any major trophy and Subsequently, if Kohli does not perform in future, he will be heavily criticized even more than before. He will be the man first targeted from every angle possible, even greater than before. And as far as this barren land of century or lack of century is concerned for Virat Kohli, it's just a matter of time that he will score something big. Maybe he will score this elusive century in the next match, or maybe after a month or a year. You never know with cricket. Yeah, you never know with cricket. Well, having said all this, the time is up for this video, and as ever, these are my thoughts and opinions about something related to the cricket. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please pass me an honest opinion about this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.